Hi friends, how are you? I am Mohammad Leon from Leon's PD, and in this tutorial I will show you how to watch CTR from Google AdSense account. Actually previously we were able to watch CTR directly from Google AdSense account, but after the new update 2021 we cannot see CTR from Google AdSense account. Okay, there is no way but only one way to see your CTR from Google AdSense account. Okay, so you can watch your CTR daily, weekly or monthly. You can watch your CTR for the last 30 days, for last 7 days, for last month and also for this month. So in this tutorial I will show you all these things. Okay, so let's get started. So after signing in Google AdSense account, from here just go to reports. From here this plus icon, new report. Okay, from here just click on this edit icon. From here just clear all. Okay, since I want to see only CTR, so from here I am selecting CTR. Okay, from here apply. Okay, see unsaved reports, so from here I have to save. So for this click on save. So I'm giving name CTR underscore last 30 days. Click on save. Okay, then see CTR last 30 days. There have a 3 dot icon. Just click on 3 dot icon and schedule. Click on schedule. So from here run report automatically. Check this and then run monthly. I want to see this report every day. So from here I will select run daily. Okay, so if I select run daily, I will get email daily. Okay, if I select weekly, I will get email weekly and I can see CTR for weekly. If I select from here monthly, then once in a month I will get email from AdSense account. Okay, since I want to see daily, from here I'm selecting daily, and by default for last month is selected. I want to see for last 30 days. So the thing is, the email will be sent to me daily and I will, in that report I will see the CTR report for the last 30 days. This is the whole thing actually. From here if I select this month, I will be available for seeing the report for the last month. If I select all time, I can see the report for all time. If I select 7 days, I can see the report for the last 7 days. Okay, from here I am selecting last 30 days. So share with, this is the by default email of your AdSense account. If you want to take this mail to your other email account, you will provide that email address here. I'm not changing this email address, I'm keeping it as it is. So from here I'm clicking on save. So one report has been scheduled. Tomorrow I will get this email. Okay, and this is one report has been scheduled. If you want to see another report, you can schedule that from here at the same way. So click on this plus icon. From here click on this edit icon, then at the same way clear all, and this time I want to see CTR. Just scroll down. From here clicks, this is which clicks and number of times user clicked on add. Yeah, it is add click, and I want to say another thing, that is add impression. Why I am taking clicks and add impression, I'll tell you later, so you will understand at the end of the video. Okay, then from here click on apply. Okay, from here save, right, CTR underscore this month. Okay, click on save. From here just click on see CTR this month. So click on this 3 dot icon. From here schedule. So run report automatically, run monthly. No, I want to see report daily. So from here I'm selecting daily. For last month is by default selected. From here I want to see this month. Okay, so the thing is, so for particular this report I will get email from Google AdSense every day, and in that report I can see the CTR for this month. In the previous report I can see the report for last 30 days, but in this report I can see CTR for this month. Okay, so share with, I am keeping the same email. Click on save. So from here 2 reports have been scheduled. Okay, so in the next day I will get 2 separate emails with these 2 reports. Okay, so let's wait for the tomorrow. See, in the previous day I have scheduled 2 reports, one for CTR last 30 days and one for CTR for this month. I got 2 separate emails, one for CTR this month and one for CTR last 30 days. Okay, so I'm clicking on CTR last 30 days. So scroll down. So this is my report. So download it from here. save file. Okay, this file has been downloaded. I have to download another one. So CTR this month, I'm opening. Okay, scroll down from here. I am downloading it. Save file. Okay, so 2 reports have been downloaded. I'm going to my downloads. So this is the 2 reports actually. This is the first one and this is the second one. So I'm just from here extract files. Okay, so this is report 1 and this is report 2. I am also extracting this one, extract files. Okay, so I'm opening this file. This is an Excel file. File is being opened. Okay, see, this is the CTR report for the last 30 days. If you see this type of thing, don't get confused. Just expand the area from here. Okay, this is the report for the last day and this is the report for the day before last day, so and so on. Okay, here I have actually reports of last 30 days. So in this way you can see the CTR from your Google AdSense account. Okay, I have to close this report first. I have shown you why I have taken impression and clicks. So this clicks divided by impression multiplied by 100% is the same CTR. Okay, so I'm showing you. So equal sign, then bracket, then this data divided by this data, bracket close, multiplied by 100%. So I will get this CTR percentage. Okay, so 9.44%. Hit the enter button. See, 9.44%. Okay, so this is why I have taken this impression and clicks for proving that this CTR is our desired CTR. Okay, so that's it. So in this way you can get email for daily or weekly or monthly, and by which you can see the CTR report for last 7 days, for last 30 days, for this month, and also for last month. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content to your community. If you have any query regarding this tutorial or any suggestion to me, just comment in the comment box. Since I am a beginner level YouTuber, please do subscribe and help me more. I make videos on technology, so subscribe for tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial.